How to import inventory items in Zoho Books. Need to upload your product catalog fast? Let's import inventory items into Zoho Books step by step. So, start with a CSV or Excel file. Include item name, SKU, type, sales rate, purchase rate, tax preference, and opening stock. Now, on Zoho Books, from the left menu, head over to items. And then on the items page, click on this button. And then select import items, and then go ahead, drag and drop your CSV or Excel file into the section. Click on next and then click on next map fields and preview it. Upload your file, map each column to Zoho's field. Choose the file encoding, usually UTF-8. Decide if you want to overwrite existing items or add new ones. Click on import and Zoho Books will process the file and add items to your inventory. Review the list to confirm accuracy. And that is how to import inventory items in Zoho Books.